Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to set the baud rate of the Chinowing V31 video, telemetry and control link. After powering on the module, press and hold the set button for about 3 seconds. When the RX and TX indicators light up, release the set button. This means the module has entered baud rate configuration mode. Once in this mode, short press the set button to switch between available baud rates. The corresponding LED will stay lit to indicate the selected baud rate. Choose the baud rate you need, then press and hold the set button again for about 2 seconds. When TX and RX indicators light up simultaneously, release the button. After releasing, the indicators will return to their normal working state. The same operation applies to both modules. That's all for today's tutorial on how to set the baud rate of the Chinowing V31 video, telemetry and control link. Thank you for watching and supporting the World Drone Market channel. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll continue bringing you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.